Hi, grade sixes. So today we're going to be looking at local government and making laws. So you'll follow along. You can fill in the blanks on your Google slide and then answer the question. And when we're all done, you can submit it. Remember, if it's going too fast, you can always pause the video so it gives you a chance to write down the bold word that needs to go into the blank. All right. So local governments make rules called bylaws. Bylaws are rules that guide and restrict people's behavior. These rules help to keep people safe and help the community run smoothly. People are responsible for knowing and obeying the bylaws. If they do not, justice will usually require them to pay a fine. Thinking it through. Rocky View takes over noxious weed-infested land. For the first time ever, the municipal district of Rocky View will take over a large parcel of agricultural land that has become infested with noxious or harmful weeds and will start a weed control action plan. The owner of the land received several notices from Rocky View asking her to treat the weeds, but she failed to do so. Weed control will start immediately and the owner will be billed for it. Rocky View spends approximately $250,000 every year on programs to fight weeds. Year-round educational meetings, workshops, and tours are held to educate the public on the problems caused by noxious weeds. So, this article describes what happened in a rural community when a landowner refused to obey a bylaw. So, do you think it was fair for the Rocky View Council to take this action? Explain your thinking. So on your Google slide, on the thinking it through part, please explain why you think it was either fair or unfair for Rocky View Council to take this action. Please make sure you're using complete sentences and detail.